Okay guys, welcome back to another Mesh 3 Weekly Technicals. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, head over to the free Telegram group, link down below. So let's jump straight in gold US dollar. So if we look at the monthly, once again, this area that we keep mentioning, the 2K area been an important level of supply and demand for it, more so an important resistance on gold at the minute. But once again, price for the month is trading below the 2K area. As we've been calling out, we could possibly see price start to retrace now as we've seen these big wicks to the upside all around this 2K area, this important level of resistance. Once again, though, we are starting to make a bit of structure up here. So we've seen these big wicks obviously to the upside, couldn't manage to we couldn't manage to close on the monthly above the 2K area, suggesting now that price could start to retrace downwards. So still technically still bullish on if we look at this structure, we're technically still bullish on the monthly, as we've still got this previous higher high is still intact. We have price hasn't managed to break through it, and obviously this area is around like this double top area. So we're still technically bullish on gold on the monthly. So if we go into the weekly, now we look on the weekly, it's we've turned bearish on the weekly. It's not the cleanest of structure at the minute on gold. We're starting to see a lot of choppiness around this 2K area. So if you see here, we have this this area, this bearish flag pattern playing out, and then obviously we've broken through that bottom trend line. We've broken through it with a lot of volume, and then prices started to establish support around this previous. If we look at this previous area of structure, price came up, left us this higher low, and then we've broken through that high with a lot of volume, and then we've come back and we've actually retested that previous high, and then that's when we started to move up in this pattern. But now we're starting to see a lot of resistance around that area, so you can start to see prices getting caught within this range. So price is broken through this little range that we had going on here, broken through that area, and then it's given us a clean retest of that area, and now price is coming back up. So I'd like to see if price can hold this area around 1368, 350, call it, or call it around there 169. Call it 169, 200 area. I'd like to see if price can come up and maintain this as resistance before coming back down to either the 1927 area or potentially 1912 area before establishing support. It's not been the best of structure as we go down daily yet. We can see it's been very choppy on gold. So we had this area up here where we've seen price on the daily. We broke through this area and we started to establish support at the top of this range that we've established. For breaking out, coming back down, price establishing resistance where previously we had support. So now we've established resistance within this range. We've come down. We bounced off the top. We bounced off the bottom of this area consolidation, which is in line with these candles over here. So we pulled back into this range. We have a little, we've got like a daily supply and demand zone. Yeah, we pulled back into this daily supply and demand zone. We've established support before taking off back to the top of this range, which is also resistance. Before, obviously, we're trading within this range now of consolidation. So I'd like to see gold break out of this area consolidation before retesting it and then heading down potentially to here, or we could even see going off previous price action. Once we've broken this area here, we see a big move to the downside and then it's mirrored back up. So we could see something along the lines of that play out. But once again, gold's been very choppy at the minute. I'm expecting gold to trade within this sideways range until Wednesday, where obviously we have a lot of heavy fundamentals. We have FOMC. So just keeping an eye on gold at the minute. I don't fancy taking any trades within this range. I'd like to see the upper end of this range break or the lower end of this range break to start forming more of a bias on gold. You see very choppy price action, but yeah, basically these levels here breaking, I'd like to see short positions. These levels breaking at the top of the range and finding support at the top of that range. I'd like to say start taking longs, but once again, be dynamic with your risk when markets are like this. Be very picky with your trades and just take the highest quality trades, guys. And yeah, that's me outlook on gold this week.